Hello guys, in new mining video. Excuse me for my voice. I'm sick. This is our new video about airdrops from Telegram bots. Also about earning from apps, free crypto with payment proof of some bots. You must watch carefully. All link would be in description for all videos. I already explained it in other videos. The link of videos will be in description, all of them, also of some airdrops. Let's see how it's work. Simply, this is our first bot. It's for Droppy bot. The link of video and the script will be in description. This is simple. The script will work for you, clicking for you, improve for you, and do tasks for you. And each day you must go to this gift and make it manually. You spin manually to get free coins. You can use auto clicker. It click for you every spins like that. Simply. Like shown below. This is for our you just use auto clicker. It will click like that, and repeat the spin like that until you complete all your spins. You daily enter in the bot to complete spins manually. The script will improve and click for you, do tasks for you. For spins you must do manually. Also you can earn a free SDT here. If you get $10, you can withdraw. This is airdrop. It ends in 1 month only, and the airdrop will be ended. Don't miss. Also there is for Bums drop and Blum drop and Boinkers. All this bot will be in the description with videos with their script. You must watch videos, all videos, and script, and work on all these bots because they will be launched in this month and maximum 2 months. This is for our first airdrop. Like shown below, this is for Droppy airdrop. Like you see, it works well. Like shown below, I already explained it. Simply, you join the bot from the link in the video. You watch the video in the description. You just click and watch the video, how to work, how to complete, how to install Teabank and other instruction. Also, you join my channel Telegram. The link will be in the description also. Let's go to see our payment proof for some bots. This for PlanX wallet. Excuse me. There is Xword. This is for Xword bot. I already explained it in my video with their script. Let's see a wallet. Like shown below, this is my balance. If you click in reward, you will see I already make a payment. Like shown below, like I will show you now this payment proof. Like shown below, withdrawal is 0.5 USDT. This is how it works. The video of the Xword will be in description. Also, this is for PlanX. Excuse me. If we run our bot, this is for PlanX. If you go to our wallet, for withdrawing from PlanX, here you choose the network. I choose BNB network. You must pay some fees here, small fees to make withdrawal. When you get $1, you withdraw every time when you get $1. For sending money, you click in send. You choose your chain. You will get your Pepe coin in your chosen chain here. If you choose BNB, you will get in BNB. You must choose Pepe in BNB chain to withdraw. We go to earn. to throw your coins, you click here in your Pepe mining, you click in withdraw. Like shown below, I already withdraw $6 and I have $0.9 under audit. It will take some time to be in your balance. When it's finishing under audit, if you return to your principal wallet here, it will be here in your principal wallet here. It will be in Pepe BNB chain. You don't Ethereum. You choose you put when you want to send this Pepe coin. You put here your address Pepe in BNB chain. If you choose Ethereum, you put you send to your Pepe Ethereum chain. I chosen my BNB. Like that. This is for Teabank. It already explained in my channel. I will show you the payment. This is my last earning. If you go here, if scroll down, like you see, if you excuse me, I already buy some trees. Click in tree. I buy this one for $0.5 ton. Also, I buy 1,000 water. Every water gives lives to the tree for 3 hours. This is how it works. All I already explained script and how it works simply. Scroll down. If you explore chain, here you will see the transaction that all miner in Teabank that do. Let's make payment, withdraw. I make a withdraw now. Let's see transaction. We wait. Like see, I think this is our transaction. It will appear here. Yeah, it's my transaction. I know my transaction. This is my transaction. Like shown below, this is payment proof of bot. Let's go to our application to mine Bitcoin. This is a simple application. The link will be in the description. Also, there is other many applications. You just click every day in this click here. You'll get free mining here. And if you want to maximize your earning, you watch 35 ads and you will get 10 gigahertz earning every second to accelerate your mining. 100% paying application. This is for Bitcoin. Also, there is other application. It's all 100% paying. There is Rubi application. The link will be in description. All link will be in description. Videos of our trusted bot that we will be launched in these 2 months. As they say, we don't lose anything. This is for Rubicoin. You must join Rubicoin. This is a huge project. Also, there is Mirror Network. This is a huge project too. I advise to go to work with that. I cube it also, like shown below. There is many application. Like shown below, or link will be in description. Application don't need to be explained. It's very simple. You install, you put referral code to get bonus, and that's all. You run daily, 1 click daily. Simply you make in you join in a group and you make 1 click daily for every app, and you work simply for bots. You work for these bots now and start earning for free way. This is how it's work. Good luck everyone. See you another mining video.